In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT for review articles in a simple, practical way. If you have an article you want to improve, but you do not want ChatGPT to rewrite it for you, this method is perfect. You'll learn how to paste in your article, give ChatGPT the right prompt, and get useful feedback on clarity, grammar, structure, logic, and overall improvements. This is especially helpful for students, bloggers, writers, researchers, and content creators who want a second pair of eyes before publishing or submitting their work. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT in your browser or app and make sure you're signed in. Once you're inside, go to the chat box and paste your article. You can paste the full article at once, or if it's very long, you can split it into sections and review it piece by piece. The goal here is to let ChatGPT analyze your writing, not guess what you want from a vague question. So the more complete your article is, the better the feedback will be. Now, after pasting your article, use this exact prompt. Review this article and give feedback on clarity, grammar, structure, and improvements. Do not rewrite. This is the key step because it tells ChatGPT exactly what kind of response you want. It asks for review and feedback, but it also sets a boundary so the model does not start rewriting the entire article for you. That's important if you want to keep your own writing style and only improve the weak parts. Once you send the prompt, ChatGPT should give you comments on how clear your writing is, whether the grammar is correct, whether the structure makes sense, and what could be improved. At this stage, read the feedback carefully and look for patterns. For example, if ChatGPT says your introduction is weak, or your transitions feel awkward, or some sentences are too long, those are useful editing clues. You can then go back and revise the article yourself based on that advice. If you want even deeper feedback, ask follow-up prompts one by one. For example, you can say, give strengths and weaknesses. This helps you understand what is already working well and what needs attention. Then ask, check logical flow and consistency. This is very useful if your article has multiple sections, arguments, or ideas that need to connect smoothly from one paragraph to the next. After that, you can ask, suggest improvements only. This keeps ChatGPT focused on recommendations instead of rewriting, which is ideal when you want to stay in control of the final version. A good tip is to review the feedback in layers. Start with clarity, then grammar, then structure, then logic. That way, you do not get overwhelmed by too much information at once. If your article is for school, work, blogging, or SEO content, this process can save you a lot of time and help you catch mistakes before anyone else sees them. You can also ask ChatGPT to focus on one section at a time if you want more detailed feedback. For example, paste just your introduction and ask for review comments, then do the same for the body and conclusion. That makes the feedback more specific and easier to apply. Another helpful approach is to ask ChatGPT to point out the exact lines that need improvement. Even though you told it not to rewrite, it can still identify weak sentences and explain why they need work. That gives you a clearer editing plan without losing your own voice. So the full process is simple. Open ChatGPT, paste your article, use the review prompt, then ask for deeper feedback with strengths, weaknesses, logical flow, consistency, and improvement suggestions. That's how you turn ChatGPT into a smart article reviewer instead of a rewriting tool. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more ChatGPT tips, writing tutorials, and AI productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.